afternoon. I am Carmelita Vipingul from Quirino High School, Philippines. I'm glad that I'm part of the SEED workshop this afternoon. I started with the SEED workshop in 2011. I remember the project is about energy, and I really enjoyed the workshop last year because the students have learned a lot about how to use the energy wisely, and they were able to come up with the cooked food using the solar energy, and I really enjoyed it, and I could not forget it. And I also appreciated the full support of our facilitators, Sir Simon Lim and Sir Hafiz, and especially Corinne. So they were all very generous and kind, and they really supported this project. And I believe that this project can be very worthwhile or very important to all of us, especially the students, to discover things, learn from themselves how to be involved in a project or like this workshop. They were able to have this camaraderie with other students, and they will also be able to improve themselves as students. And for us teachers, we are also enjoying a lot of activities or the tasks given to the students. And as we as only facilitators or observers, we were also we also find happiness in seeing the students enjoying the activities they are doing. And I'd like to thank also our ever supportive principal, Dr. Levita U. Ramos, for giving all her support to this project, even if she's not here because she's attending a seminar. I know that her heart is with us, and her vision and mission for Quirinians or Quirino High School students um, will really be good for all of us. And I know that this project can still have um, we can go far with this project, and I thank God for giving us this good weather, and we're able to finish. They're cooking right now through the use of solar energy, and I thank God for this workshop. Thank you very much.